totally. So we're gonna put water in here. It says the groceries are gonna pop out, and that's what's gonna happen.
What color do you have?
Blue. So there's some instructions in here on the top. You just open it. I don't know what this is. And here's all the characters you can collect.
Wow, they got a lot. Dump Divers, Mean Munchies, Mean Greens. They got several.
Which one's the rare one? Is there a rare one? I don't think so.
We'll check right now. See which one you get. Alright, so what do you have to do?
It looks like Deadpool from the movies. Right there. That one? The black eye? The red? All the red?
Oh, Dung Digger. It does look like Deadpool. Alright, so you ready? So you gotta put a little bit of water.
What? Where's water? Oh. Put the water in. Oh.
Alright, close your lid. Close your toilet. Shake it.
Yeah. And you hold the lid. Cut that you can collect it. Okay. Now let's open it. How do you open this? This one?
This is plastic. You have to take the plastic off.
How? Put water on mine. Water!
Take the plastic off. The plastic off.
Oh. Put the water on mine, please. Oh my God. Please, Mommy. You dropped it.
Okay, now close your...
This is wet. This is wet. So I'm going to take my bracelet off.
There you are. Open your toilet. Open your toilet.
Oh.
That looks like poop.
Baby poop.
Boo-boo's poop. Alright, which ones did you get?
I got this white thing with the red eyes.
Oh, that one's cool.
The two-headed dog. I don't even know his name now.
They look mean.
What?
They look mean.
Come on, jump in.
It's gonna bite you. Let's see yours. What did you get?
Watermelon.
A watermelon. In your toilet?
And two-headed dog.
Is that probably what you ate? Look.
There's two-headed
Two doggies.
It's for him.
Are they the same? No, right?
No.
Different.
They're not the same. Both look black. Ah, don't flush that in the toilet. That's flush you in the toilet. Yeah.
Go back in the toilet? Is that what
No.
you're
Yeah.
doing?
That poop in here. Get out of here. Ah, I'm so gross.
So gross.
Yeah. Go Ah. No, don't keep us in this toilet. Let's pop out here. They're not laugh at me because I bought a toilet. Ha ha ha, you bought in the toilet. So why close Let me eat ya. Yeah, go in there. Ah! Get out there, the poop. What character do we get? Ew.
Do you know the names of your characters?
No. Oh my god, this one looks like an alien. Come from outer space.
See, did you find them?
No. Still gotta look. Whoopie doopie doo.
Oh, that's the dog.
Whose dog?
This one is King's dog, Despair. And you have Labradump. And which one did you get? He got a watermelon one? I don't see no watermelon one.
Where?
Oh, water smelling. And what else? Which one did you get?
Where's mine?
Oh, the...
Oh, light thing.
Mm. No, it's not here. Is it?
Imagine they didn't make it. Look how big.
Oh, there's more on the back?
Can I put Poop-Doo in here, Mommy?
Oh, it's a street freak. Audubon Ron.
Audubon Ron?
Yep. That's what you got.
Oh, this one kind of looks like mine, right? The black one?
The black one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bright lights. But that one's like different. Oh, it looks like yellow.
This one's small. What's yellow?
So you're gonna sit on your toilet now, King?
Yeah.
What about you, Skylar?
No, Mom's gonna
Flush it. Flush it.
I want to put these dudes in there.
Ooh,
Go back in there.
Toilet party.
Yeah, toilet party. Do the toilet
Mommy,
music.
look, Mommy.
Do that rapper music.
Look at Mommy. He's driving in there. Drive.
Where's it going?
Yay, let's go. It's a car.
It's a car toilet now. You're spilling poop all over my floor.
Yay, let's get out of here, dudes.
Oh, nasty little freaks. You nasty little freaks.
I'm not freaky. He's freaky. Yeah! Nom, 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 nom. That was tasty.
I'm so ugly.
Goodbye.
This little doggy was hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
I do
he's
ugly.
biting at the camera. Don't run away, you coward. Go back to your home. You stink anyways. Bye. Bye.
I'm gonna go back into my home.
Is that your
me
home?
too.
The toilet.
Yeah, me too.
You peed on the floor.
Ooh, this looks like a yummy food.
My car leaked.
I guess you're not potty trained yet, are you, doggy? Peeing on my floor.
Yeah!
You're about to make a swimming pool. Too much water.
Just give me my car. I'll leave.
Oh.
Hey, no ball. I'm stuck in here. Stuck. Somebody please help
stuck?
me.
Show me.
The doggies.
The doggies. Where are they?
They're stuck in the toilet.
Oh, let me see them.
Okay. There. Doggies.
The poop friends. Swimming in a bunch of poop. You're disgusting.
What?
gonna take time. It's not.
Dude, look up. Hey, look. Look at it. The dude inside my food.
Mm-hmm.
That's
I
it.
can't
The whole thing in picture right here? That's the
I
ball.
can see it.
Daddy, look. I found a watermelon. Daddy, look.